heat. Heat is a form of energy. We get heat from many natural and artificial sources. Natural sources. Sun. Biggest natural source of heat and light. Drives weather, photosynthesis, water cycle. Earth's interior, geothermal energy. Hot molten rocks produce heat. Friction. Rubbing hands, car brakes produce heat. Chemical reactions. Burning coal, wood, LPG releases heat. Atomic energy. A huge amount of heat is produced in a very short time when the nuclei of some elements like uranium, thorium, etc. undergo fission. This is used in atomic energy projects. Air. A large amount of heat is present in the air around us. Electrical energy. In your daily life, you have seen several equipments which produce heat with the help of electricity, e.g. electric press, electric heater, etc. Thus, electricity is a source of heat. Artificial, man-made sources. Electric heaters. Gas stoves. Coal and petroleum. Biogas. Metal heaters. Use, cooking, heating, industrial work. Temperature. It is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. Measured in degrees Celsius, degree C, Kelvin, K, or Fahrenheit, degree F. Higher temperature object is hotter. K is equal to C plus 273.15. It tells the direction of heat flow. Heat flows from higher temperature body to lower temperature body. Heat. Temperature. Form of energy. Measure of hotness. Symbol Q. Symbol T. C unit Joule J. C unit Kelvin K or degree C. Depends on mass. Does not depend on mass. Causes change in temperature. Indicates level of heat. Thermometer. An instrument used to measure temperature. Types. Clinical thermometer. For measuring body temperature. Range 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Laboratory thermometer. Used in experiments. Range 10 degrees C to 110 degrees Celsius. Construction. Long glass tube. Contains mercury or alcohol. Scale marked in degrees. Why mercury is used? Shines, easy to see. Uniform expansion. Does not stick to walls. Remains liquid over large temperature range. Specific heat. Specific heat is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. C unit J kg degree C. Examples. Water has high specific heat, heats and cools slowly. Metals have low specific heat, heat up quickly. Calorimeter. A calorimeter is a device used to measure heat absorbed or released during a chemical or physical change. Used for finding specific heat, studying heat transfer, measuring temperature changes during reactions. Construction. Copper vessel, good conductor. Stirrer. Thermometer. Insulating lagging. Effect of heat on different states of matter. Heat causes interparticle distance to increase and kinetic energy to increase. 1 keycap expansion. When substances are heated, they expand. Railway tracks have gaps. Telephone wires sag in summer. 2 keycap change of state. Heat changes the physical state by increasing energy. Process. Solid, liquid, gas. Melting. Solid liquid. Evaporation boiling. Liquid gas. Sublimation. Solid gas. Condensation. Gas liquid. Freezing. Liquid solid. 3 keycap increase in temperature. More heat, higher temperature, till state change. 4 keycap change in density. Solids and liquids expand slightly. Gases expand greatly, density decreases. Example. Hot air balloons rise because hot air is lighter. Latent heat. The heat energy used to change state without temperature change. Types. Latent heat of fusion, solid left and right arrow liquid. Latent heat of vaporization, liquid left and right arrow gas. Heat transfer. Heat is transferred by conduction, solids. Convection, liquids and gases. Radiation, vacuum. Thermal expansion. Definition. The increase in size, length, area, or volume of a substance when heat is applied. It occurs because particles move faster and push each other apart when heated. Expansion in solids. Characteristics. Solids expand least on heating. Expansion is noticeable mostly in length. Examples. Railway tracks have gaps to avoid bending. Telephone wires hang loose in summer due to expansion. Cracks are provided in concrete roads. Expansion in liquids. Characteristics. More expansion than solids. Expansion is mostly in volume, no fixed shape. Examples. Liquid in thermometer rises when heated. Water level rises in container when heated. Expansion in gases. Characteristics. Gases expand the most on heating. They have no fixed shape or volume, particles are far apart. Examples. Hot air balloons rise because heated gas expands and becomes lighter. Heated air in tires increases pressure. Order of expansion, lowest to highest. Solids, liquids, gases. Why expansion happens? Heat increases particle motion. Particles move apart, increasing size volume. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe now.